Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to channel for everything cars, gear, and driving tips. Today, we're tackling a topic that confuses a lot of drivers: the difference between all-season tires and winter tires. Are all-season tires really good for every season, or do you actually need winter tires when temperatures drop? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tire type fits your driving needs and climate best. So, let's roll right into it. What are all-season tires? All-season tires are designed to give drivers a balanced performance in a variety of weather conditions, from dry roads to light rain and mild snow. They're made with a moderate rubber compound that stays flexible in both warm and cool temperatures, but not extreme ones. The tread pattern on all-season tires typically features shallow grooves and multiple sipes that help channel water away, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. The idea is convenience. You can leave them on year-round without changing tires seasonally. However, it's important to note that all season doesn't mean all weather. They perform decently in mild winters, but once temperatures drop below freezing or you encounter deep snow, their grip and braking ability start to decline. What are winter tires? Winter tires, also known as snow tires, are engineered specifically for cold weather and icy or snowy roads. They use a softer rubber compound that remains flexible in freezing temperatures, allowing better traction and control. The tread design is deeper and features unique biting edges or sipes that dig into snow and ice. This helps your car maintain grip even during acceleration or sudden braking on slippery roads. Unlike all-season tires, winter tires are marked with the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol, which means they meet specific traction standards for severe snow conditions. But keep in mind, they're not ideal for summer or warm conditions, as the softer rubber can wear out quickly when the roads get hot. Key differences. Now, let's break down the major differences between all-season and winter tires in terms of design, performance, and materials. 1. Rubber compound. All-season tires use a harder rubber blend, optimized for temperatures above 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius. Winter tires, on the other hand, use a softer, silica-rich compound that stays pliable in sub-zero temperatures for better grip. 2. Tread design. All-season tires have shallower tread depth and fewer sipes, great for smooth, quiet rides on dry pavement. Winter tires have deep, aggressive treads that bite into snow and push slush away from the tire surface. 3. Traction and braking. On cold, icy roads, winter tires significantly outperform all-season tires in stopping distance and control. But in warm weather, winter tires lose efficiency, causing reduced handling and faster wear. Simply put, the choice comes down to climate and driving conditions. When to use each type. Here's the general rule. If you live in an area where winter temperatures regularly fall below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, or where snow and ice are common, you should switch to winter tires. All-season tires are perfect for moderate climates, places with mild winters and no heavy snow. For instance, if you're in southern states or coastal regions where temperatures rarely drop too low, all-season tires are a practical, cost-effective choice. Many drivers switch to winter tires around late fall and then back to all-season tires in spring. This rotation ensures longer lifespan for both sets and maximum safety year-round. Remember, the right tire at the right time can make a big difference in your vehicle's performance and your safety. Pros and cons. Let's quickly compare the pros and cons of each to help you decide. All-season tires. Pros: versatile and convenient for year-round use, smooth and quiet on dry roads, cost-effective since you don't need to swap tires twice a year. All-season tires. Cons: limited grip on ice and deep snow. Harder rubber loses flexibility in freezing weather. Compromise performance in extreme conditions. Winter tires. Pros: superior traction on snow, ice, and slush. Shorter braking distance in cold weather. Designed specifically for low temperatures. Winter tires. Cons: wears quickly in warm conditions. Generates more road noise. Requires seasonal replacement and storage. Each has strengths and weaknesses, but it all depends on where and how you drive. Which one should you choose? If you live somewhere with harsh winters, think Canada, northern US, or parts of Europe, winter tires are the smarter and safer option. They can literally be the difference between maintaining control and sliding into trouble. However, if you're in a region with mild or unpredictable weather, like the southern US, an all-season tire is more practical. You'll save money, avoid seasonal swaps, and still enjoy good performance most of the year. For drivers in areas with occasional snow but not extreme cold, there's even a middle ground, all-weather tires. These combine features of both tire types and carry the same snowflake symbol for winter use. Ultimately, always match your tire choice to your climate, driving style, and safety priorities. Remember, tires are the only part of your car that touches the road, so don't compromise there. So there you have it, the clear difference between all-season and winter tires. Now you know how temperature, tread, and traction affect your car's safety and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tips and gear reviews every week. What tires are you currently using? All season or winter? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation rolling. Drive safe and see you in the next one.